It was that high 8 camera that was under the table in the front room.
Okay, I've got you in at
Froggy flips.
All right, everyone. So about a month ago, I went to an estate sale. I did record, but I never made a video out of it. That does happen from time to time. I think on this particular occasion, it was because it was just really busy, kind of crowded and chaotic, a little dark in the house, and I just didn't really like the footage, so I just never really made a video out of it. But when I was cleaning out my iPad, I noticed the footage was still there, and I had a little idea that I thought might be kind of fun. I thought maybe we'd play a little game with it and have a little giveaway. So basically, it was one of those unpriced estate sales where you just kind of make a pile, and then you discuss price at the very end. In this case, they called it a picker sale. So what I did was I edited the footage. Every time I picked something up that I actually bought, I put a caption up, or if I could find a relative sold comp, I went ahead and put that up too. But then when it came to the point where the lady gave me a price, I went ahead and cut that out because what we're gonna do is have a guessing game. Basically, you just have to guess how much I paid for that particular haul. The prize is gonna be just a cool little mystery box that I'll explain more at the end. Also at the end, I will explain the rules. I will mention that the prize will be shipped in a USPS large flat rate box, so it'll be US only unless you want to pay for the shipping cost. And to figure out what that would be, just look up and see how much it would cost to ship a large flat rate box from the US to your country, and then we'll go from there. And like always, to be eligible to win, you'll have to be a subscriber and you'll have to like this video. So go ahead and knock those two out now. I'll go ahead and show you the footage, try to figure out what I paid, and then we'll go over the rules at the very end. All right, let's do it.
Thank you.
Robert, Yvonne, and Jill Hoyle. And Glenda. I can take some of that.
Sure.
What's the name?
I have a spot with an amp out there that says Anthony.
Anthony?
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Did you get that Gretsch? Is it Gretsch or?
I didn't see it. I didn't see one.
There's one in the picture.
But if you're going to
Nikon. Sony video wipes. Cool.
busy, but I had to say hi quick.
Hey, man,
I've
what's
talked
up?
to you a few times on
Yeah.
Instagram, so I didn't know if our paths would ever cross because I'm on the west side.
Oh, gotcha. What's your name?
Trevor.
Trevor, nice to meet you, man.
Retro
Anthony.
Reminder. Yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah, gotcha.
Yeah. So I knew you were busy. Ignore my Instagram message because I said, hey, if I don't have a chance to say hi.
Oh, that's cool. I'm so bad at Instagram messages.
Yeah.
All right, bud.
Take care.
Thanks, you too. Sorry. Is this the line to pay?
Yeah, I think so. I don't even know.
Okay.
It's always different.
All right, you
Hi.
ready?
Yeah. I have all this, and then all this on the ground is mine too.
Okay.
Like
Let
the
me
ant.
just
Yeah, go through it.
look at what you got in your hands here. I'm surprised the family didn't want to keep all that, but you know. And that they left Goodwill tags.
Right.
And stuff. Sorry.
No, you're good. And it's the poster.
Okay. Let's see.
And then I have the amp and the picture, and there's stuff in those bags.
Okay.
I have one in the Jeep. Thank you, though. Gotta bring it over.
These got added in at the last minute yesterday. Our dude just were like, oh, there's some layman for the room. I was
Cool.
like, oh, okay, cool. I didn't see what was under.
It was that high 8 camera that
Oh, okay.
was under the table in the front room.
Okay. I've got you in at. You are good.
All good. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Some
Feel
boxes.
free to pull into the driveway if you want to make it easier.
Okay. I'll just grab a tote. Thank you. Take care, guys. Have a good one. Good luck.
All right, so now that you have your guest, let's go over the rules. Like I said, you have to like and be subscribed. So if you're not already, go ahead and hit that button. US only, unless you want to pay for shipping. That's all fine and dandy. So basically, all you have to do is leave your guess in a comment down below. And I will give you up to 3 guesses in 3 different comments. So feel free to make 3 completely different guesses. I'm going to let this go for 1 week. So 1 week from today, I will make a community post announcing the winner. I will also update the pinned comment down below with the winner. If no one actually guesses the correct answer, the winner will be the person that came the closest without going over. However, if multiple people guess the correct answer, I will do a random drawing of just the correct comments. That way, everyone has a fair chance whether they watch it today or 6 days from now. So to recap, like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave up to 3 guesses below in 3 separate comments, and then check out the community post and the pinned comment down below 1 week from today, and the winner will be announced. And then I said the prize was going to be a large flat rate mystery box. And basically what's going to be inside it is just some stuff that I think is cool. So whether you're a reseller or just a collector or just someone that enjoys the videos, it'll be probably a mixture of things you've seen me pick up, maybe some things that didn't make videos that I've picked up along the way. And I'll try to make it have a value of somewhere between like $100 and $200. So it's nothing crazy, just a fun little game to kick off the holidays. All right, so let me know if you have any questions. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching the video. But until next time, stay safe, stay healthy. Love ya. Bye. When they hear that cha-ching and they all look at me, I guess they'll know I'm buying this crap.